Today we are going to learn how to draw the tangent of the circle. Before construction, I will explain the meaning of tangent of circle. For that, we will perform a small activity. Let's draw a circle. Now I am passing line L from the circle. Line L touch the circle in 2 points. Let's give the name A and B. Distance between AB is chord of circle. One more line I am going to construct, which is again passing through from the circle, which touch the circle in again 2 points. Let that points are C and D point. Again CD is the chord of the circle. Now the line N now I am going to construct, which is intersecting circle in only one point. So this point, P point, where the line N intersect, this line N is known as tangent to the circle, which is intersecting in only one point. So the meaning of tangent of the circle is the line which intersect which touch, line which touch the circle in only one point is known as tangent to the circle. Now I am showing the steps of constructing tangent to the circle. Example, with example I will explain. Now the example, draw a tangent to the circle for the given point on circle of radius 3.5 cm using center. There are 3 different methods to draw the tangent to the circle. Now I am going to show the steps. First type of a construction, the steps are as follows. The radius of circle is given 3.5 cm. So draw the circle of the given radius 3.5 cm and give the center name O. Now the question is for the given point on circle. The point is on circle. So take a point P on circle like this. Now in this question we are using center of circle. So join the center to the given point, that is the distance OP. So distance OP is the radius of circle. Extend OP distance and draw the ray OP. Now take your compass. Take some distance in compass, put the compass pointer on point P, draw the arc on the side of center like this. Do not change the distance. Again turn the compass to the opposite side of center and draw the second arc on the opposite side of center. The arc which intersect the ray OP in 2 different points. Let's give the point name point A and point B. So here we are having AB distance. Now take more than half distance in compass, put the compass pointer on A. Like this, take the distance more than half distance in compass. Put the compass pointer on A. Take more than half distance of AB in your compass. Put the compass pointer on A. Draw the arc on both side, up and down side of the circle like this. Do not change the distance. Again put the compass pointer on B and draw the intersecting arc to the previous one. And from the intersection of this arc, pass the line from intersection which is touching the point P. The line is touching point P. So this line is tangent to the circle for given point P.